Hello, Booster Beast here with yet another Pokemon video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Today we got Unbroken Bonds. Hopefully pull something amazing like a Charizard Reshiram. The thing is, these are the Dollar Tree ones, so it's not guaranteed a rare. So let's get into this. Pack number 1. See what we got. Anything good? Nope. Okay, maybe it's not as easy as I thought. Jeez. Nothing once again. And last but not least, final pack. Nothing. Hope you enjoyed the video. The video been brought to you by your boy Booster Beast. Bye bye. That's it for this video. Peace. See you next week.